Here's how you can use Obsidian to give Claude Code external memory. Save for later and follow for more Claude Code tips. So Obsidian is originally a note-taking app that is based on markdown files, which are just files that live locally on your computer instead of something like Notion where all of your files are stored in the cloud. The fact that Obsidian uses markdown files as its primary method of note storage makes it super compatible with Claude Code, as a lot of the internal mechanisms of Claude Code also run on markdown files. Instead of using something like a Notion MCP server if you store your notes in Notion and having Claude Code use the MCP server to interact with your notes, or copy-pasting manually from Google Docs, you can just have Claude Code traverse your notes through markdown files in Obsidian because they live locally on your computer. In Obsidian markdown files, there's something called front matter, which is essentially just metadata about the note. Within this front matter, there is a backlink category, which allows you to backlink certain note files together. If you use these backlinks correctly, what they do is actually create a network of related notes, where when you create one note that's related to other notes you've already created, you can link them together so that when Claude Code reads that note, it knows where to find related information that might be tangential, but might be relevant to the task that Claude Code is tackling. You can then set up an Obsidian skill which teaches Claude Code how to use this front matter and how to create markdown files in your Obsidian vault correctly. Once you have this set up correctly, you can set up slash commands and subagents in Claude Code so you can work with your Obsidian vault through Claude Code instead of actually looking at the files yourself, whether it be reading those files, creating new files, or just going through your daily workflow. If you want to learn how I and 150 plus other people are using Claude Code with other tools creatively like this, join my school community, link in bio.